Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Lightroom on Windows. Step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type Adobe Lightroom download into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Adobe website link from the search results. Once on the Adobe website, navigate to the Plans or Products section. Look for Adobe Lightroom in the list of available software. Click on the Lightroom option to view details. Choose the subscription plan that best suits your needs. Click on the Start Free Trial or Buy Now button. If prompted, sign in with your Adobe ID, or create a new account if you don't have one. After signing in, follow the prompts to complete your purchase or trial setup. Once the purchase is complete, look for the download link. Click on the download link to initiate the Lightroom installer. When the installer file has downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. A security prompt may appear. Click Yes to allow the installer to run. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Choose your preferred installation directory if prompted, or proceed with the default settings. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once the installation is finished, click Finish to exit the installer. You should now see the Adobe Lightroom icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Double-click the Lightroom icon to launch the application. Sign in with your Adobe ID when prompted. Once signed in, you can start using Lightroom to edit and organize your photos. You have successfully installed Lightroom on your Windows computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.